Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, help us feed a hungry hippo, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up as you're watching today. We're going to jump right on in here to part 2 of a ThredUp unboxing. If you didn't catch part 1, that's where I discussed how much we paid for the box and where it came from and everything like that. But today I just want to jump on in so we can keep moving forward, showing you what we got in this ThredUp box. These are men's Levi's 569 loose straight. I'm going to actually check real quick to see what I would price these at to decide if they're bolo or just bread and butter. If you haven't bought our jeans guide, it does come with a lot of information on jeans in general, how to determine the rise, how to determine the style, like boot cut, flare, straight, how to determine the wash, has pictures for all of that to help you out, has a whole section on Levi's, how to tell men's from women's, how to measure your jeans. It's a really nice guide. It's a little booklet full of information. And then it has spreadsheets with sell-through rates and average selling prices on a lot of different brands. And then it has a bonus spreadsheet called Stars Pricing List. And it has all the brands that I work with a lot that I have prices I start them at, so you can see where we start our prices. So our jeans guide was actually on sale for St. Patrick's Day. I did go ahead and extend that sale through tonight because I wanted to be able to promote the jeans guide in this video and give it to you guys at a discounted price. So today, when this video comes out, will be Tuesday, March 21st. So up until midnight tonight, you can still get the discounted price. The jeans guide by itself is $17 with code LUCKYHIPPOS. If you want to get the jeans guide, our clothing guide, and our plush guide, you can get all three for half off. So only $32 for all three guides with code FLIPPINHIPPOS. There's links in the description box that will get you to the guides, or you can just go to flippinhipposhelp.com. That's our website, and there's a tab at the top that says 2023 Training and Guides. All right, so I use my own cheat sheet all the time, you guys, when I'm outsourcing, when I'm deciding if I'm going to pick up a pair of jeans or a brand, certain brand of men's shirts. I use our guides all the time. They're on my phone, and I find a new to me pair of jeans at Salvation Army. I'll look it up. Oh, look, it's got like a 4% sell-through rate. I don't want to mess around with that. Or its average selling price is $10. I don't want to mess around with that. Or, hey, look, this has got a really good sell-through rate and a high sell price. I also look at my own pricing sheet all the time just to cheat. So these are 569s, and my pricing sheet that comes with the guide is actually divided into men's and women's. I'm going to look at men's. I don't have the 569s on my sheet, so this must not be something I deal with often. The brands on my sheet are brands that I deal with so often that I haven't memorized. I don't comp them anymore. And I just put them together in a spreadsheet for you guys that purchase the guide. I'm going to comp those because the thing with Levi's is they can be bread and butter and they can be amazing bolos. So it just depends on the number, really. You have to look it up and learn them. There's a section on Levi's. Did I mention that in the guide? So go ahead and take advantage of the fact that I just extended the sale out for you guys and grab the jeans guide. 28 by 30 Hollister. So this is one of my favorite bread and butter brands when it comes to women's jeans. I can sell them for $18 to $25. Depending on if I'm running a sale or if I take an offer and the style, but I never go below 18. And most Hollister women's jeans are going to be very small sizes and ship first class. I get them for 99 cents. Men's, I like even more because you can price them higher. You can price men's jeans typically about $5 higher than women's. And when they have special things like button fly, I always add another $2. So this is a pair that I might put up for like $28. maybe even a little bit more. So we're going to put the Hollisters as bread and butter. I haven't marked where I'm putting the Levi's. We'll comp those at the end in the last video when I'm done showing you guys all of these jeans. We have a pair of men's Gap jeans, solid bread and butter all day long. I start men's Gaps around 25. Wrangler, and I always say around because, again, if there's defects, you take a couple bucks off. If it has a button fly or it's a special larger size or has something special like the next level stretch or the Aero Flex, you can always add a couple bucks. These are men's Wranglers, bread and butter, solid. I usually start them around $25. We do free shipping. I know people always ask me, are you including shipping? Yes, because most people sell their Gap jeans for $10 to $12 plus shipping. So I just sell mine for $20, right? I build the price in. We have another pair of the loose straight Levi's, the 569s, and I do need to look those up at the end. We've got Zara. This is a bread and butter. I just threw my pen on the floor, so I'm going to get a new pen. These, Zara used to be like a really, really good brand. But you know, people have to race to the bottom and ruin it for everybody. I said that with a smile, but I really feel snarky about it. You guys know that by now. Taylor Vintage. These are men's 32 by 32. These are new to me, so we're going to look those up together. In the last video, I'm going to break these up into little segments. When I finish showing you everything that came in the box, we'll go ahead and screen share and comp these guys over here. We're going to look these up too. And big. Never heard of this. We're going to have some comping to do together. Won't that be fun? We've got another jean jacket. This is J. Crew. Solid bread and butter, especially on Poshmark. J. Crew does really well on Poshmark. Then we've got another pair of men's Hollister button flies. So that's another good bread and butter. I'm really feeling good about these because they have button flies. They are ripped and torn, which, believe it or not, actually adds value to jeans. And we've got Perry Ellis. I mean, this is probably kind of poop, but I'm going to list them and sell them because I'm going to make as much money as I can back on my purchase. I got to go get another bag of jeans. I'll be right back. Okay, so I emptied out the box and I went and grabbed one of the IKEA bags full of jeans to show you the rest. Banana Republic. I'm going to mark it as bread and butter because I'm going to go ahead and list it and sell it. They're size 25. I wouldn't source these. Even if they were 99 cents, I would most likely leave these behind. Oh, American Eagle. You guys know. Ooh, it's button fly. That's always exciting. I add $2 to my start price when things are button fly. So these are women's size 4 long. So I will list these for about 22, maybe even 23 because they're long, which is like a specialty size. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how cute these are. These are adorable. Bread and butter. They probably won't go for very much, but I can list them on 4 platforms. See where they sell. I don't normally thrift children's clothes. I don't even look at them in the thrift. But when I get them in like these hauls, absolutely, I list them. The Children's Place. So that's another pair of kids. Bread and butter. Holy no brand, Batman. Like seriously, these don't have any tags at all. So this is something that I would even consider poop and not sell. There's no brand. You can see where the tag used to be. They're plus size, but I mean, there is absolutely no brand, no size. Poop. All right, next up. Express. So again, I'll list these. I'll probably put them up for about 20 bucks. Most likely take a best offer 17 to 18 because it's Express and they're not that great. But I'm going to milk this box for every bit of profit I can. But I would not pick up Express at the thrift. So you know. Even if it was only 99 cents. Just wouldn't do it. Old Navy. This is like a chambray shirt, a denim shirt. So this isn't like a jean jacket. This is definitely like a button front shirt, but that's okay. I'll still list it for like 20 bucks. I mean, it's denim. People like denim, and you can sell denim for a lot. Denim coats, denim shirts, booty shorts. Gap 7 Slim. So these are kids. Oops, I forgot to mark my jean jacket down. Okay, there we go. And we have another pair of Express. So again, I'll list them and sell them, but don't really source these if you find them. But don't not list them if they come in a ThredUp box or a wholesale box of any type. Old Navy Rockstar jeans. Old Navy is one of my favorite bread and butters. You guys know that. These have rips and tears, which makes them more worth more. I already said that in this video, didn't I? Believe it or not, though, seriously, rips and tears make jeans more valuable. This is a denim vest. This is cute. Oh, I forgot. I keep forgetting to mark these down. Wallflower, which is a poop brand. This brand is poop. It is poop, 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 poop. But I'm going to list the heck out of this, and I'm probably going to list it for 20 or 25 bucks because it's cute. I mean, it's a denim vest. It's a sleeveless denim jacket, however you want a jean jacket, all the great keywords you can use. It's embroidered. It's got flowers. It is cute as poop. And I'm going to list it, and I'm going to price it high because you can't get what you don't ask for, right? Bread and butter. Another something or other. This is a something or other. This is cotton and linen blend. And it used to be white. What the heck is... And I don't even know what's going on this topic. What's going on in this guy? And it's like a skirt. It's... But I'm probably going to say this is poop. I'm sure I could figure out how it fits eventually. It's meant to look like a skirt, but it's shorts. But if you can see the blue tinting to it, they were white at one time, and they're blue from being... I don't know if Keith did it when he put them through the wash with our jeans, or if they came from ThredUp like this. We'll never know. Not too concerned. I hate dealing with white clothing anyway. I hate white clothes. Hate them. I avoid them like the plague. Unless it's like, if I see something white at the thrift and it's going to sell for like 50 bucks, if it's a really good Bolo brand, because otherwise I avoid white stuff. I don't like white clothes. Black is pretty annoying too, just in the sense that black will show all fuzz and everything. And you typically almost always, 99% of the time, have to take a lint roller. That's what they're called, Star. You usually have to take a lint roller to black clothing, even jeans, because they just pick up everything. But you can take a lint roller over it and it's done and it looks nice. White clothing always looks dingy to me. Always. I don't care if I just bleached it in the wash and brought it out. White always looks dingy to me. And it shows stains and it's never clean. Like every time I've gotten anything white in a ThredUp box or seen it at a thrift, they never look. There's always stains or something wrong with the white clothes. All right, we got some Levi's signature cutoffs here. And these are high-rise shorts, so they're factory cutoffs. They're not homemade cutoffs. They are high-rise shorts. So this is definitely a good find. And this will be the last one for this video, guys, and then I'll be back to show you the rest. This is another kids pair, Old Navies. Like I said, I don't really mess with kids' clothes, but they are really easy to photograph and list. I'll show you these real quick. So I don't mind when they come in the ThredUps. Plus, you get more in there, right? Oh, Nelly. Why are they so small, though? I sincerely plucked these out thinking that this was going to be a pair. It is. They don't make kids, Brant. Oh, my Lord. It's Joe's jeans. I really thought that these were going to be kids, and they are. I guess Joe's Jeans makes kids clothing because it says it has this little adjustable waistband that always is in kids' clothes, and they're a size 10. This is not a women's 10, y'all. This is tiny. He's teeny tiny. This is so cute. Oh gosh, the little things in life really amuse me. Teeny tiny little Joe's Jeans little girl shorts. I'm going to put those in the money because if these were women's, these would be like $35 shorts. So we'll see. All right, guys, go be productive. Go make some money. Don't forget, until midnight tonight, you can get our jeans guide for only $17, or you can get all three for half off. Use code LUCKYHippos to get the single guide and Flippin' Hippos to get half off all three. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.